war in Ukraine is spiraling into dangerous new territory, and now the US and Russia are locking horns in public again. But this time, the rhetoric is hotter than ever, and nuclear shadows loom over Europe. In a stunning escalation of words and military moves, the United States and Russia are openly clashing over the intensifying war in Ukraine. Just days ago, former President Donald Trump warned that Vladimir Putin is playing with fire, following reports that Moscow has massed over 50,000 troops near Ukraine's northern Sumy region. Posting on Truth Social, Trump didn't mince words. He claimed that if it weren't for him, quote, really bad things would have already happened to Russia. His exact words were like this: "What Vladimir Putin doesn't realize is that if it weren't for me, lots of really bad things would have already happened in Russia. And I mean really bad." That fiery comment triggered an equally dramatic response from Dmitry Medvedev, former Russian president and close ally of Putin. Medvedev shot back on X, formerly Twitter, saying, "I only know of one really bad thing: World War III. I hope Trump understands this." Trump's national security advisor, Heath Kellogg, called Medvedev's comment reckless and unfitting of a world power. "Stoking fears of World War III is an unfortunate, reckless comment," he said. Meanwhile, the battlefield itself is anything but quiet. Both sides are launching swarms of drones daily. Russia says it shot down 296 Ukrainian drones across 13 regions just last night. Ukraine says Russia attacked with 88 drones and 5 ballistic missiles. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy confirmed that 50,000 Russian troops are now positioned near Sumy, sparking fears of a massive northern offensive. But he says Kyiv is ready. "We've taken steps to prevent a large-scale attack," he stated confidently. Putin? He says he just wants a buffer zone, a safety belt along Russia's border. But actions speak louder than words. Russia has already pushed into several villages in northeastern Ukraine. And with the Kursk region cleared of Ukrainian forces, the road into deeper territory is open. Peace talks. Maybe. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov says new negotiations will be announced soon. And Trump? He claims he convinced Putin to agree on a memorandum for peace, but Washington is still waiting on the draft. So here we are. World leaders trading words, armies trading fire, and a conflict once local now threatening global stability. Is this the brink of a peace deal or the beginning of something far worse? Let us know what you think in the comments.